Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 3rd and we're going to be looking at the Exxon Mobil uh, chart here, 45 minutes, which is kind of similar to the 1 hour. We can see we completed with X. This is a primary degree here, and then now turning lower. So that means that we are currently within with Y to the downside. Now within with Y subdivided into three waves, right? So we completed with A of Y. So it's a zigzag basically. It's a 5 ways down ending A leg, intermediate degree. Now looking to complete B leg and then potentially turning lower again in the C leg, in the intermediate, and after finishing C leg that will finish Y in the primary degree. Okay. So as long as we stay below 163.65, we have a chance to turn lower again. This current rally, right, potentially can go up to ABC 100% extension. So this is the area where potentially we can turn lower again, which is between 152.90 and 156.12. That could potentially end the C leg of the P and then starting to turn lower again. Now if I zoom out on the daily time frame, I can give you a little bit more context where we are. Here is the daily time frame. Let me copy in the X here. On the daily, this is your X, and that means your W is right here. Now a couple of things first, right? Now you can see Exxon Mobil made an all-time high here, 176. So that itself tells you, depending on which time frame you're looking at, right? If you're looking at the longest time frame, the largest time frame, then there's no question that it is bullish, right? It is bullish. It made new all-time high back in March 30th, and then now it's in a correction. Now there are two different ways you can think about the current outlook, right? One way is you notice here that this rally here was clearly three ways, right? Clearly three ways. So that means we are not ready. It doesn't look like we are ready to extend higher again or resume the bullish cycle again, because otherwise if we are ready, this would have been a 5 ways up from here like this. But the fact that it is only three waves and then get rejected, and then the third leg is more or less at the 100% extension, I believe, this one, right? 100% extension. That tells you this is a corrective structure. Now if this is a corrective structure, then the conclusion is there are two options. Number one, that we have another chance to go lower, right? We have another chance to go lower, that what we call a double correction. Now that double correction will be confirmed once we break below W. Now this leg down, currently it does kind of look impulsive. If you think about it, this one, it kind of look impulsive. So that suggests that another leg down is likely, right? Because this is three waves and this is looking quite impulsive in the shorter side. So another leg down is likely, and if it breaks below W, it potentially can open up more downside to this one as the next big strong support zone here, 107, 129, right? So the rally expected to fail, go down again, and reach the area before we potentially can start to go higher again, going to new high. Okay, now so that's one way to think about it. The other way is we can actually be in a sideways, some sort of a triangle, something like this, consolidation, but it's some sort of triangle instead of a double. So we can continue to chop around in three swings like this in the next few weeks and months before eventually breaking higher, because again consolidation typically is in the direction of whatever the overall trend is. So the overall trend is bullish, so if we consolidate, then typically it's a bullish consolidation. Alright, so that's another option that is a possibility. And then there's the third option, which I think is less likely, in which you can call this as a nest, like 1 2 1 2, and then explodes to the upside, 3 of 3. But I think it's probably less likely because the reason is simple. This one, it kind of looks impulsive, and also this one is a little bit too deep to be called as a 1-2-1-2, and that's why I think the two most likely possibilities is either we do a double, right, WXY, and then do a bigger correction before the rally resumes, or we do a consolidation in the form of a triangle, and it's gonna go sideways and choppy for the next few weeks, few months, before finally most likely resolving to the upside. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you do want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.